Hello everybody.
Hello.
Hey Fred, we're not here to do phonics.
Are we not?
No, we're here to show the children how to make a musical instrument.
I love music.
You do, Fred. Now just let me show everybody. I wanted to make a guitar.
Wow.
Thanks, Fred. Now what I did was I found a box, and you can find any box that you like, but you just have to be able to cut a hole in the middle like that. Okay, you don't have to, but I wanted to add the back of the guitar just so it looked more like a guitar.
Oh yeah.
And then I found some elastic bands that I could wrap around my box for the guitar strings.
Haha.
Okay then, Fred.
Oh yeah.
You can help me hold the guitar. Okay. I wonder if you could join in with a song. Strum your guitar and drum the sides. Strum your guitar and drum the sides. Strum your guitar and drum the sides. Now we're making a pattern. I wonder if you could make a pattern at home with your musical instrument. 1, 2, 3, 4, drum, drum, drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, drum, drum, drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, drum, drum, drum. Now we're making a pattern. Strum, 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 strum. Strum, 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 strum. Strum, 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 strum. Now we're making a pattern.
Now we're making a pattern.
Yeah. So, there's our guitar. Shall we do one more song, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the weather today? What's the weather today? It's snowy and cold, it's snowy and cold. That's the weather today. Because that's the weather today out the windows. Isn't it, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay. See if you can make a musical instrument like a guitar, like Mrs. Jones, and see if you can make a pattern with your sounds. Okay. Have fun. Bye.
Bye-bye.